So he's very cheerful. He's a very jolly person, and I can share everything with him, be it good things or bad things.
आली चाहूल कुणाची हे डूल कुणाचे झुलते ग आले पाऊल कुणाचे ही भूल कुणाची अनाहुत ग माझ्या मग्न तळाकाठी स्वप्न तुझ्यासाठी गिरवले ग आली चाहूल कुणाची हे डोल कुणाचे झुलते ग.
He's basically like my confidant type. I feel comfortable sharing anything with him. He knows how to make me laugh.
So she's the most fabulous, fantastic person I have ever met. We have made lot of efforts and त्यानंतर हा दिवस आज आला आहे.